Alright, so now we're moving on to what the SBA requires you to document. The problem solving section must be submitted as a PDF document. If you send your code and say, hey boy, my program working real good, I go and send the Pascal file, or I go and send the C file, or I go and send the Python file, or I go and send the VBA file, they're not going to mark it. So here's what the layout of your document is supposed to look like. Cover sheet. The information supplied here is essential since it's used to associate the submission with the candidate. So you want to put your candidate number, you want to put your school, you want to put your teacher, anything that's going to identify you and make sure whoever is marking this knows that this is this particular child. Students should provide the statement of the problem. That is the part of the problem that was chosen for coding in the spreadsheet. And what you need to do is you need to solve the problem that they ask you to solve in the SBA document, right? Then you need to have the algorithm. So you have to take the algorithm, whether it's in the pseudocode or flowchart, and then paste it into the document. After you paste that, you need to have a copy of the program language code. So that means you have to go back to your editor and copy this code and paste it into your document. Then you must have your trace table. Then there's program execution. Students are required to submit screenshots of a working program showing data entry and results provided. This here is the important part. These screenshots must show that your program works. Let's open up our Word document here. So page 1, stuff for cover sheet, which is name and school and teacher. Page 2, we have the problem definition. Page 3 now will be the algorithm. The algorithm must be pasted just as you have it in your code. So then you want to now do the source code. Source code is the actual code that you're getting from your compiler. So let's say we use the Python source code. We will highlight this, copy it, and then I'm going to just paste it inside here like that. And then after the source code, you have to put in the trace table. So trace table. And then the last thing you're going to put in is the screenshots. And the screenshot is basically you're pasting back the screenshot that you have like that. And doesn't matter if it's big or small, it's cool. Right. Now from here, once you lay this out nice and easy and whatnot, you want to create a PDF from it. So to create a PDF from it, you have to click File. You could do Save As and choose PDF, but it's easier to click Export. And then you see Create PDF or XPS. And when you create PDF or XPS, it will literally just save it as a PDF for you. And then that is the file that you must send to your teacher to prove that you did your program.